Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Let everyone be happy. And with these thoughts, let us start cooking today. Today we are going to make sauteed beetroot. This is a colorful and flavorful addition to any meal, bringing both taste and health benefits to the table. Beetroot is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's low in calories and an excellent source of fiber, potassium, and folate. So we will take the beetroot, peel it, wash it, and cut it into small pieces. You can peel it with a peeler or you can use the knife. Traditionally, we always use the knife. Now the size of the pieces you can take as per your choice, but certainly this should be medium size pieces. The pieces should be well defined because this is the way the vegetable will look. Take a pan and add 1 cup of water in that. And now add those beetroot pieces and cover it and let it boil. Initially we will keep the flame high, but once it comes to a boil, we will reduce the flame. And now add some salt and turmeric. We have to see that the food is neither undercooked nor overcooked, because when we overcook the food, then also some nutrition is lost. Now let's see whether it's done or not. Yeah, this is already cooked, so no need to cook anymore. We will switch off the gas. And now we will go for seasoning. In a pan, take some coconut oil and add some mustard seeds and add the curry leaves. If you have the fresh, that's very good. If you don't have the fresh, you can put the dry ones also. How to make it? Take the fresh curry leaves and keep it in the refrigerator. It will automatically become dry and it will retain the color and the flavor both. When the mustard seeds start to crackle, add the beetroot, which is the boiled beetroot. See, it's so simple, but it will be so flavorful because we have not added a lot of spices. So when we cook, we have to keep it in mind that the flavor, the natural flavor is retained in the food. And now add some coconut, fresh coconut and the fresh coriander leaves. Now transfer this in a bowl and it's done. It's so simple. Add some more fresh coconut on the top before serving. And the most flavorful, colorful and nutritious veg is ready. Thank you for watching.